Are these pitches the same? All the way here. Like one second. Yeah, it's the same. That's still A. And then this is. That's different.
It's like.
That's an F.
Did we talk about 4 channels?
Perfect fit.
Can we try this one again and see how that low compares? That might have been over.
So if you want to, that's this perfect fit right here. Here.
Feel that. Alex had it. It's like, I
thought it was pretty much useless.
guess it's. Guess we underestimated.
Wait, no, it's try.
That said my headphones don't work. So
Never mind, it's not perfect fit. I love this thing.
Do you have a piano app?
No, I have the pitch perfect fit.
Can you keep that exact pitch of the C? So, exact
Do you just want to make
Like rub it up against it.
And then tell her she's.
With like down.
Oh yeah.
Yes, we gotta find a way. Maybe we'll drill another. Well, I don't want to ruin this one.
No. If we put it, what if? Okay,
Yeah, we
what if
need
we
to,
put
like-
a like? So through this
But then
thing,
it has to go.
but then it will create. If you put it here, always in connection with the string, it'll give you
What else? Is
that
there anything
scratching
else
sound.
that we
This time, and it pretty much it wouldn't even touch it again until it gets right to the tip.
Oh yeah, stand by.
Also, what if this, the body of the wheel